What's up guys, this is Preetham from the Pickup Dude. So आज little new background and we are going to shoot a video. So the truth about the 3-second rule. तुमने ये सुना ही होगा 3-second rule. Okay, whenever you see a chick you just go and approach her. So in this video I'm going to break it down. Is it really like how do you actually apply that 3-second rule in your life? Because there's a key element which you are completely missing. That's why you are completely unable to apply that 3-second rule in your life. So without any further ado, let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Preetham and I'm here to help you to become this man with multiple options. So 3-second rule. So उस दिन क्या सीन हुआ था, मैं कैफ़े में बैठा था, मैं और मेरा दोस्त. तो एक भाई एक बंदी रहती है ना, ऐसे देख के उसको लगता है कि भाई all three of us were like, what the fuck is that girl? So once we saw that, obviously we were like out of breath. We were like, oh my god. Then she went and sat. So a few minutes ago, my friend was talking about this 3-second rule. So मैंने सोचा चल भाई करता है. So usually I'm the person who don't get anxiety, but in real time I could see she sat. I was like, Preetham, let's go and approach. But then some people sat besides her because it was crowded area and people were just sitting with each other. So वो बंदी बैठी, उसके साथ और 2-4 लोग बैठ गए. After that I was like, I started making excuses. नहीं भाई लोग है, oh I'm too good enough, ये वो some kind of bullshit rationalization started to come in my head. In real time I could see, imagine there's a syringe. कोई तुम्हें ऐसे इंजेक्शन दे रहा है, तुम्हें फील होता है राइट, नमनेस फील होता है. मेरे को भाई वो एंजाइटी ऊपर से फील हो रही थी कि भाई इट्स क्रीपिंग डाउन माय फकिंग चेस्ट. आई वाज लाइक मैन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन रियल टाइम. सो उसके बाद क्या सीन हुआ, अगेन सम बुलशिट रैशनलाइजेशन स्टार्टेड टू कम अप टू मी, बट आफ्टर दैट द मोमेंट शी गॉट अप आई वाज लाइक फक इट, I'll regret it for the rest of my life, so I just better go and talk. So after that I went, I spoke with her. It was such a nice conversation and at the end it turned out to be very nice. Okay, ठीक है, number close नहीं हुआ, but guess what, like it was a good experience for me. I didn't regret it. Now this 3-second rule, on paper it's so good. Oh, you see a chick, don't think, go and just talk to her and then figure it out. But there's a key critical thing which you're completely missing, like I said, and that thing is most of the guys, 99.99% of the guys are analytical. That's where everything starts to fuck up because you are not an instinctual person. The 3-second rule is for the guys who are instinctual. You see something, you're like go. You see something, you just pick it up. You don't question it what this is, right? But the people, most of the guys are like, oh, why should I pick it up? What's the point of this? What should I say next? You are just completely stuck in your own fucking head. That's where the big problem comes. Now 3-second rule works, but granted, like I said, you need to be the instinctual guy. So there's a prerequisite. जैसे मैंने बोला कि 3-second rule अप्लाई करने के लिए तुमको वो बंदा बनना पड़ेगा जो बस चीज़ें कर देता है. He doesn't ask things. He's not in his head. He is not analytical. He's not logical. He goes, does the stuff, then come back. Like अच्छा पानी में हाथ नहीं डालना था, गर्म था. Okay, now I know what hot is. Rather than put your hand in the water, it's like why should I put my fuck no. Okay, it's too hot. Okay, now I got to know. So that's the guy you need to become. And this instinct thing, it's in us, but as guys we are not used to train it. ठीक है? So this 3-second rule, all these pickup theories, that's where you will be able to apply them if you are that guy who is instinctual. So ठीक है? I just wanted to keep this video short and hopefully you found value in this. If you do, please do like this video. Also please do check out the link in the description for our school community. Hey, we just crossed like 100+ members. Would love to have you there. So again, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.